Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Christmas tree easel card. All right, this is my lovely tree easel card. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. I love the black designer series paper that's part of this Lights Aglow Suite. You can find the suite on page 30 of the mini catalog with all of the bundles, ribbon, pearls, glimmer paper, foil paper, and designer series paper. It's an amazing suite. I really am enjoying using it. You've got, this goes with this, the Christmas Lights bundle and the Brightest Glow bundle. And as you can see, all the designs are made out of dots, which I think is really cool. So the tree, the snowflake, all the elements are made of dots. So we're gonna stamp this tree and emboss it. And then we're going to cut it out and add all the dots. So I'm gonna start with my embossing buddy. And I've got my gold embossing powder and my Versamark ink pad. And we're just gonna ink this tree really, really well. You can do it upside down since it's a large stamp if you want to. And then I'm just going to go this way. Straight up, straight down. Or I should say straight down, straight up. Okay, we'll just tap off the excess there. It looks pretty good. Now we're gonna cut this out using the Twinkling Lights dies. So we're gonna start with the outline and we'll put that around the tree. And then we're gonna add the dots. So push this back down. Paper kind of warps a little bit when you emboss it, but this just fits perfectly inside. And we'll add this top plate as best we can. Okay, I've added the embossed tree to the gold paper, and I cut a star out of the gold paper as well. And I just used a glue dot, and I'm just gonna stick it on there. And then I've got some dimensionals on the back for the card. I started with a 11 by 4 1/4. And I've scored it at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. And as I was previously recording, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So I'm kind of going back and redoing the card. So I've layered the paper on the gold foil. And before I did, I cut a stitched rectangle out of the middle that I can use on another card because it's kind of a shame to waste the inside. And so I'm just going to layer this on here. And then I've already tied some of this beautiful ribbon and some of the gold trim. And so I'm just going to stick that on there too. And it's just gonna go around the top. And then I'm gonna scoot this over to this right there, okay? And then we're going to add the tree in the middle. Okay, and then I've already embossed and layered this on the gold shimmer paper. And I'm just going to look and see where I can hide this under the tree. And I might have to trim this a little bit or do some corner rounding. So I'm going to figure out where I can hide this under the tree because I want it to be hidden. And I'm just going to put some dimensionals on this. And this is going to be the stop for my easel. And I'm just going to put this here so I can figure out where to hide it. So I think about there is best, like that. And then I'm just going to fold it down. And I think it's pretty hidden. And then we have our tree easel card. So I'm offering supplies for a free card class when you purchase either of the bundles or place a $50 order using my current host code. These are the designs, and just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial on this card from the Lights Aglow Suite. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and comment on my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.